Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to English class. It's your Oxford Progressive English books. Today we are going to revise different objects from picture dictionary on book page number 99. You can see all objects in your schools like bag, bin, board, box, a chalk, desk, flowers, pen, pencil, teacher. And these all are vehicles. We said vehicles because we use for transports like boat, bus, car, cycle, motorcycle, plane, ship, train, truck and van. Now student, it's your homework time. You will memo all objects with the spellings and also write on your rough copies, and you will revise story number 9 Dr. Dan oral with spellings, and also write on your rough copies and make a video of your answer question and synonym and send your homework in group. Allah Hafiz.